What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Back again with a box or a pair, brand, whatever you want to call it, which doesn't feature on my channel regularly. Adidas. So as you can see by the 3 stripes, if you don't know that, then I have no words. But yeah, I've got an insanely massive box which barely fits into the frame, which is lovely. That's obviously sarcasm. Let's get into the important bit, which is the box label and what it says. So this pair is the Adistar XLG 2.0, size 10. If you want to read the rest, just pause it here and you can read it at your own time or pace. So we'll get straight into the review, and here it is. So just first things first, XLG just means extra large basically. It is a shoe which has been made extra large. So one of the main things is the boosted thick sole, chunky sole that they've been put on for this shoe. And there's other bits as well, but we'll get into that in a moment. Second thing is, I've already had people, once I've posted shorts, snippets, TikToks, etc., say, oh, these are fake, these are replica, it's not, it's jellyfish. They're right and wrong, because yes, it's not the jellyfish, this is the squid. Also, replica, no they're not, these were bought from Adidas. So yeah, a lot of people are buying these because they look like the Pharrell Williams jellyfish, which these have a lot of design cues from. The jellyfish doubled, tripled, quadrupled in price. Thank you, resellers. Thank you very much for always making buying sneakers very fun. Big up to you guys. Again, sarcasm. But yeah, so we've got this Adidas shoe. This is a cheaper version, cheaper alternative. I like them personally. I'll go through them. I'll go through everything, tell you what I think of the shoe. And yeah, so on the bottom you've got this wide, I like to say, because I like cars, wide body. You've got the wide body sole on the bottom with some black and then white. Got the Adidas logo there. Then we've got a little bit of information which says Adi Prem and Adi Wear. So shout out to Adidas for making everything Adi. Addy something, Addy this, Addy that, Addy everything. Then we've got some on the bottom which looks like screws. I really like it when brands do that. I know Saucony's done that as well, where it looks like screws put into the shoe. This is like, you know, a Phillips, no, not a Phillips, a flathead screwdriver. See, smart people, you should always know about tools apparently. Then again, we've got the Adi Prem here on the back. And then we've got a full white midsole, apart from these obviously 2 black bits. And then we've got a piece of silver going across, going underneath, and then going back around. The upper, as you can see, mesh. I don't mean the bit on the front, I mean the bit behind it. So it's all mesh on the behind bit. Toe box mesh, inside all mesh as well. And then on top of that mesh we've got this plastic, this rubber, which has been designed to mimic, copy, etc., whatever you want to call it, the actual Pharrell Williams design of the jellyfish. And then on the front we've got this kind of leather, fake leather, whatever you want to call it, on the front, just to kind of tie the shoe all together. I like that they've done that, to be honest. I don't have the jellyfish in hand to know. And the tongue, of course, all mesh. We've got little tabs here. Even the lace loops, they remind me of the Air Max 95 style lace loops. And then we've got the Adistar cushion on the tongue and the Adidas logo. That's all like been, I don't know what you call it, the manufacturing process. It's like stuck on in a way. And then inside, of course, it says Adistar. The sole doesn't lift out, so I've got to pull it out. Nearly there. Just wait on it. Wow, I can't even lift it out. It's proper stuck down. But yeah, it's like a bit of a spongy, cushiony type sole. Insole, if you want to change it, you can to make them a bit more comfortable. The size I got for these, I went with a 10 because I thought they're chunky. I might need to go half a size down. Regret it. I think I should have stayed true to size. I can't be 100% sure if I'm completely honest, because obviously I haven't tried that size yet. So these look very much like the jellyfish. So what I did was I lace swapped one just to show everyone what it looks like, to make it a bit closer to the jellyfish. I was gonna say jelly squid. These are the jelly squids. I've just made that name, jelly squid. So it's not the jellyfish, the jelly squid. It doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. But yeah, let me know what you think, my people. Do you like the normal lace? Do you like the black lace? The black normal lace? Do you like the lace swap? Do you even like the shoe? I'm a bit 50-50 on these. At the moment, obviously, because it's not my size, I don't know. Probably not gonna keep them, or buy another pair to keep. I think I'm done with Adidas for the moment. It's just my personal preference. I'm more of a Nike guy. But yeah, let me know what you think. You'll see plenty more videos about these. Also another pair, which is the black and silver pair. So much reviews, contents coming up. Just click below where it says Trending UK. Just go to the channel and watch all the videos. Probably take you a couple years, but just watch them all, man. But yeah, my people, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the content, check out all the videos. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot. Most importantly, take care, my people.